Three to the one, from the one to the three. You join this live stream, and I'm gonna teach you DOD. Let's get it, guys. Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. I am gonna go do something real quick. I want to start the live streams, but I'll be back in just a few minutes once I get up. I literally don't look tired. You're tripping. You guys say that every day. I sleep 7 to 8 hours a night. Feel great. What's up, Mara Juan Mohammed? What's up, Zach? What's up, Artif? Bro, that tattoo's so sick. My man Artif got a DOD tattoo. The absolute legend. The absolute legend got a DOD tattoo. That literally made my whole year. Best highlight of this year. I'm about to get one, too. I'm going to put it right on my chest. It's going to say DOD. That's what it's going to say. I'll be right back, guys. What's good? What up, what up, what up, what up, what up? Let's go. What's up? What's happening? I had to go get myself a nice cold one. Nice cold one to sip on. Oh, yeah, it is from yesterday. What's good, everybody? What is cracking lacking this morning? Good morning, everybody. What's up, City Surfer? What's up, Dube? What's up, Alan? What's up, Tony? Angel, Nomadic Day Trader. Harry, 2J, Danger. What's up, everybody? Man, I'm so happy y'all get up bright and early in the morning and choose to spend your morning hanging out with me on this live. I just wanted to put that out there today. Can we also just take a second and look at our man's greatest tattoo of all time? Can we just take a second and appreciate what I'm about to show you? Let's see. Where is there we go. Hold on. Look at that DOD tat. Our boy Artif got DOD on the wrist. Oh! I said, damn, bro's going to make me go get one of these. I'm literally 100% getting a DOD tat now. I hope. I'm going to tell you all that right now. Like, it's happening. That's so hard. Literally so hard. Literally absolutely so sick. Absolutely so sick. Man, where's that second pick? I said me after spending 3 hours trading to lose my first trade, win my second, and still lose money. This was mood yesterday. This picture of me is so bad, but it's so funny. Like, how is that even me? Doesn't even look like me. Oh, and then we had to let people know. Oh, whoops. Let's go. All right, guys, I got to restart the live. TikTok didn't like me sharing my IG. It's so lame. It restricted me for showing themes that some may find uncomfortable. Boo-hoo, TikTok. All right, I'll be right back on TikTok. Make sure you hit that follow button. Or go over to YouTube, Jdun Trades. Jdun Trades on YouTube. Y'all should all be there anyway on YouTube. If you go to your YouTube app and type in Jdun Trades, you'll find the live stream. You get full screen share. It's way better anyway. All right, where's mine? Dun, 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 dun. Gina had one 20-point loser and one like 80-point winner. me go back live on TikTok. Hold on. TikTok live. This live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. My name is Jdun. Ad is Team Bull Trading, and this live is starting at 7:12 a.m. Mountain Time. What's up, Grizzly Glock? What's up, bro? I'm doing good, man. How you doing? I know. I'm on my comeback arc today. I have not had a very good week trading. Yep, that's all we're looking for today. One good trade. That's it. I said too, I was saying yesterday that if I somehow end red today, which is a real possibility, it's not likely, but it is a possibility, I have a solution for tomorrow to almost ensure that we're green. Almost guarantee. Do you want to know what it is? Trading live with the students at the office. You know, I've never had a red day trading live with people at the office. Never. Never. Not once. Knock on wood. But never. I just have my worst loss ever.
It's going to be a good session, I'm sure. Get logged into my broker.
It's Dumpster Thursday. I miss that, man. Obviously I miss him for the most as a friend, but he also, like, I kind of lost full interest in penny stocks after he passed. He was always the one who was telling. Yeah, there's no more penny stocks and low caps in Team Bull after Dumpster passed. I still got Dumpster with me at my desk. I got his favorite pair of shoes. The white, what are the Air Forces? Yeah. He loved these things, man. He loved these shoes. R.I.P. a legend. R.I.P. a legend. I trade both live and funded, but primarily live. Like, for example, yesterday, I was red on my live, but I was green on my funded. So I'm not going to be like, all right, guys, well, I lost 200 on my live, but I made 2,000 copy trading my funded, so I'm green on the day. Like, bro, that money is not, unless it's a payout, it's not real. And a lot of these gurus nowadays, that's what they do, is they go on their Instagrams and they copy trade 10 accounts. Like, all right, guys, so like made 5 racks today, copy trade 10 accounts. Like, bro, you didn't make $5,000. You can't go withdraw that money. You didn't make it. Just saying. You get a $5,000 payout, you made $5,000. You make $5,000 on a fund and you didn't make $5,000. Until it gets to payout, you made $0. Right? Am I out of pocket saying that, or is that facts? I think that's facts, right? Am I wrong on that? Or is that big facts? I also think that I think that prop firms are a net positive for traders, but it's also skewed people's perception of money. Like, when you can make $200, $300, $400, $500, $1,000 a day on a live account, like, that's really good money. But since people started posting these massive funded gains and, hey guys, $23,000 today, copy trading, like, bro, you didn't make $23,000. Like, you didn't get 23,000. Like, if you get $23,000 payout, you made $23,000. If you made $23,000 on funded, you did not make $23,000. It don't work like that, bro. You didn't make 30K today, bro. You're trading simulated funds that aren't eligible for payout. And I'm not hating on fundeds. I'm just saying, keep it real. If you get a $50,000 payout, that's what's up. That you got paid. If you made that on a funded account that's nowhere near payout and you have to still meet consistency and have 5 more days, that you didn't make that money. And even then, you're gonna have to profit split, and you're gonna have to only take a portion of it with your max payout. So again, you didn't make that money. If you make 12 to 20K live, F yeah, that's awesome. That's amazing. That's great. I think when people kill it on a live account, that's amazing. I love seeing people kill it. I'm not saying you can't have big days. I'm just saying that when it's on a funded, it don't count. That's why you won't see me being like, all right, guys. Like even on my road to that $50,000 payout I got from Apex, wasn't like, all right, guys, every day making like 5,000, 7,000 a day, copy trading 20 accounts. Like just, it's not the same. We need a nice trade today, folks. I did not trade. I ended up catching a winner yesterday. It took a few hours, but I was still red on the day. Why wouldn't it count on a funded? Well, it counts towards a payout, but you didn't. The whole point here, let me sum this down. The whole point I'm saying is that you see a lot of these influencers now saying, "Hey, I made $6,000 today," but it's on funded accounts. They're copy trading funded accounts. They didn't actually make $6,000. It's not real money. They can't go withdraw it. That's all I'm saying. It's all paper money until you get a payout, which, I mean, fundeds are fine. Like it counts towards a payout, but it's not real money. So you're telling me if I made 4K on a funded, I cannot withdraw that? Nope, you can't. Not until you meet all the rules, and oftentimes they have payout caps. For a while, at least. Like, I can go on and trade 20 Apex accounts today and make $1,000 a piece and say, "Sup, guys? Made 20 racks today. What's good? Jdun in the crib. Let's like." But that's that's what these goofballs do. Like it's silly. I just laugh because it's funny. Like, yeah, gonna go copy trade 20 fundeds or 20 evals and make, "Yep, guys, 10,000 on the day. What's good?" Oh, this is a good one. Yep. Sup, guys? Trade Master 3000 here. Just copy traded 35 accounts, made $1,000 account, $35,000 on the day. You know, gonna go and hang out in my rented Lambo, go eat some caviar, probably go rent an Airbnb, call it my mansion, and probably copy trade again tomorrow. I know you guys all want to make 35K, so if you'd like to buy my course, links in the bio. It's not for everybody, but if you're ready to quit your job in the next 2 days, hit me up. That's really how these gurus be going these days. That's really how it be, though. Oh, man. I am annoying and I'm a little silly, but you're still here, though. Must be liking something. Oh, man. All right. Well, as far as the market goes, they all use brain rot strategies. Yeah. But let's see here. We got a little downtrend in the morning. I don't see a lot that I love. We haven't had any real significant lower highs or higher lows. We're downtrending, but we're right around that 25,000. So that's going to be interesting to see how we react here. All right. Before we get started, too, we got like 600 plus people here. We need to get those likes up, guys. We got to pump those numbers up. We got 86 likes right now. Let's get that up to like 200. Come on. Let's pump that number up. Let's pump that number up. If you're going to choose DOD today, trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused, hit that thumbs up button, baby. Same with TikTok. Make sure y'all tap that screen over and over. Hit that like button. What do you mean how much pay attention to the haters? I just pray for them. What the heck? I got muted. Grizzly, you took over the... Oh, there we go. There we go. Now we got it. It's weird. How to trade live with you. You're here, my friend. I got my heater on behind me because my office is a little chilly right now, but I'm going to turn the lava lamp on in a sec, too. Let's see here. I was going to grab... Hope y'all are ready to choose DOD today. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Yeah, Grizzly can screen share. He can screen share. He's screen sharing. We're both screen sharing. Yo, Team Bull, I got a huge ask for you guys today as well. If you guys have had a good or a bad experience, whatever your experience may be, and you're willing to show some love or leave an honest review, I'd love to get your feedback on this new Trustpilot. I'd love for you guys to go tap in, leave your feedback on how DOD has helped you or hurt you, I guess. I don't think there's going to be many people like that. I'd love to have you guys go leave your feedback. It'd mean a lot to me. It'd mean a lot to the team. So if you guys could take a second and do that today, it'd mean the absolute world to me. I have that survey as well. I need to get that survey. That survey is really important too, so I can best serve you inside Team Bull. I need to know your honest feedback. Like my tongue. They took away our road codes, man. Don't work no more with the updated website. They're on to us. No, I don't. I'm not giving away anything for reviews. I just, if you want to do it out of the kindness of your heart, I appreciate it. How about this? I'll help you find a winning trade. If I catch you a winning trade, bring it. I will give away a free year in Discord if y'all get this live to 1,000 likes. I tell you that all the time. If the TikTok gets to 100,000 likes, or if YouTube gets to 1,000 likes, I'll give away a free year. No, screw it. I'll give one of y'all a lifetime membership today, which comes with my private mentorship and everything that I never, ever talk about. I'll give one of y'all lifetime access to Team Bull if y'all get this live to 1,000 likes today on YouTube. We'll give one person in chat at the end of the stream a lifetime private Team Bull membership. How about that? How about them apples? Josito, thank you, bro. Appreciate all you guys. Appreciate all you guys showing love.
A few more minutes.
Let's get it. What you watch? Oh, shit, we only have 3 more minutes. What are you watching for today, Grizzly Glock? You see anything you like? Do I have a game plan for today? Not really. I'm trying to go not go unbiased.
I'm gonna watch the 25,100 area again for possible pullback or push up for a short.
All right. Those big support turn resistance back to support. Big area of confluence. See what we get.
Just ripped through it yesterday, but still expecting it here.
How was your morning, bro? Did you work out?
Yeah, I did. Hit a push day.
Nice. I'm gonna do arms today, I believe. Gonna do some arms today. Gene officially got his $7,000, or he's getting a $7,000 payout today. He's been killing it. Yeah, proud of him. Gary and I will do my best, my friend. He got it with FFF. I actually like what FFF's new plan they're coming out with. The Prime plan actually looks really good. The Funded Futures Family. All right, guys, market's open. Today is a beautiful Thursday, and this is your reminder to choose discipline over dopamine. DOD today. Cheap garbage dopamine will cause you to overtrade, revenge trade, boredom trade, tilt trade, all things that will self-sabotage your trading and sabotage your trading progress and your profits. So my mission for you guys today is do something positive for yourself. Make one goal right now of one thing you can improve. Maybe that's less trades. Maybe it's more confirmation. Maybe it's no trading the first 15 minutes. Maybe it's 2 loss limit. Maybe it's you hit 1 A+ trade, and if you hit that first A+ trade, you're done for the day. Whatever that may be, you make progress today. That's your task at hand for this beautiful Thursday. If you guys can do that, you'll be in much better shape than you were yesterday. All right, guys? We all on the same page? We're going to choose DOD today? I started a few days ago. It seems so hard to be profitable. Oh, my man, you are in for a ride. You're in for a ride. What's a good simple one? Like you mentioned, no trading the first 15 minutes. That's a good one. Committing to 2 confirmations for any trade that you take is good. Committing to patience is good. Are funded accounts good for beginners? Sometimes. Depends. That's not the right mindset. You said lost 800 yesterday trying to make it back with Jdun, DOD. Well, please don't try to make your money back. Please don't try to have that mindset. You'll make it back over time. But if you come in thinking, oh, I got to make my losses back, I got to make my money back, then you're going to end up trading with emotion, and it's going to be tough to follow your rules. I almost always wait the first 15 minutes before trading. It's very rare that I trade in the first 15 minutes. It will happen occasionally. Just doesn't happen a lot. I definitely don't prefer it. Might get that reject, Grizzly Glock. All right, guys, let's see what we get here. We're coming up 25,100. So we'll see.
I'm gonna trade you a team book and pick it until one thing. I don't like how he pushed up to my level off one green candle.
Yep, we're ripping.
We could reject hard here, but I don't think it's gonna give us the opportunity to hit completely.
We have no more data today either. We have NFP tomorrow, but we have no more data today. We have no more data today. Not today.
The NFP tomorrow.
Yep.
Like that, man.
The data strategy.
Yeah. Little options trade to end the week.
Man, I'm so hyped. All y'all are here with Team Bull this morning. Just wanted to say that it means a lot. You guys are here, hanging out with us, trading with us, making this a part of your daily routine. It's never taken for granted.
Well, we're gonna push through this zone. Even if we do invalidate this level I'm watching right here, T-Bull, we got plenty of supply above.
You see that? See, someone got a DOD tag, Grizzly.
I've seen that as well.
Do you also see that story of those deers? Like Grizzly's gonna come eat them. Grizzly's gonna come hunt them.
You had the pictures
Yep. I love me some venison. I love me some venison. Deer is deer, whatever. I'm a trader, not an English teacher. I gotta finish my electrolytes. And where's Gene? I just realized. What is Mr. Gene? Was it Samantha on my plate? Yeah. Started acting up. So guess we're having venison tonight. I just saw Gene working at Taco Bell. You don't like Taco Bell. Yeah, Gene had one loser, one winner last night. He had a 20-point loser, I believe, then like a 60 or 80-point winner. Pretty baller. I'll take that all day, every day. It's 20-point loser, 60, 80-point winner. All day, every day, I'll take that. He's been killing it in the Asia session. He has patience like a rock star. The 80-point winner in Asia is actually pretty crazy.
All right.
What YouTubers do you recommend when first trading? When first starting to learn about trading, I'm talking zero. There's this one guy. He's a short king, if you're okay with that. Kind of yells a lot. But he does really want to see you win. I think his name is Jdun or Gaydun or something like that. If you look up Jdun Trades on YouTube, should come up. He's got some good beginner stuff.
I'm not trying anything yet. I'll let you know if I do.
He likes to wear masks. He can get a little out of hand sometimes, but I think you'll learn something. I think you'll enjoy. I think you'll like what you learn, bro. No, he's short. He's like 5'6", maybe 5'5". I think he likes taking back shots. Said something weird in the live stream the other day. I was watching him. Said he was going to get a back shot and then ended the live. I was a little concerned. Well, damn, Grizzly, that candle looks good.
Yeah, I like shorts up here, man. I just hope it doesn't make the move here before we can get in.
Oh, well, if you take it, I'll be rooting for you. I don't believe I'll be entering with you, but I will be rooting for you. I will be rooting for you, my friend. I need my coffee.
Be patient and wait on a clear entry.
Nothing new. It's 1992. Yeah, we'll see. I'm not in any rush to take anything either. Yesterday got me 1 loss, 1 win. Still ended red yesterday on the live account. And we're going to just take it easy today. See what we can get. Our levels are in. We're focused. We're patient. I need my coffee. I need Gene to bring my coffee. Then we can activate Pay Done. I love these new Apex accounts. They've grown on me a lot. Apex 2.0 changed the game. End of day drawdown. They're pretty fire. We need to do what it is. I do not have a bias right now. I'm in the middle. I don't want to rush any trades. I didn't have a very good trading day yesterday. Didn't have a good trading day Monday, obviously, and then Tuesday was fine. Tuesday was great. So I'm just trying to move forward with patience and with system and catch a winner. We're due for a nice win today. We're not guaranteed it, but we're due for it. If you guys want to take my next trade with me, I'd recommend you click on the link I just posted on YouTube and get yourself a 50K Trade-A end of day account. It's only $29 with code Jdun. The new Apex has end of day drawdown. It's a game changer. That's what Gene's trading on now. Lots of traders are. Really, really good rules, fair rules, good accounts. Yeah, you get six payouts in your account, and you either get moved to live or you have to restart. But at that point, you've paid $100 for an account, and you've made, I don't know, like 7, 8, 9 grand per account. I think you should worry about that when you get to 6 payouts. Focus on getting 6 payouts first, and if you get moved live, that's fine. You should honestly, if you get 6 payouts, let's say they're $1,000 a piece, you should take some of that money and put it in a live account. If you're worried about taking 6 payouts and then stopping, just go to a live account then. You have the money to do it at that point. That's what I'm going to start telling you. All right, guys, our 15-minute range is in. We got our 15-minute range in.
Moves being made without us just didn't give me a good entry up there.
Yeah. It was pretty aggressive. Yeah, if you get 6 payouts in a row on one account, you've proven that you're good enough for a live account. And you also have the money to do it. So we'll talk about that more later. Let's find a winning trade first. But if you want to take my next trade with me, that's all I was saying is you can get 85% off with code JDUN. It's only $29 for a 50K account. I appreciate y'all supporting your boy.
I would have taken the rejection up there because it gave me a clear signal, you know.
All the life I spent on you. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Nice. Gap Duzon said, in Cancun for a wedding. Woke up at 6, worked out, had a champion breakfast, and now in the room ready to trade, not drinking either DOD. Speaking of which, guess what today is? Guess what March 5th of 2026 is? Today is 22 months of no alcohol for your boy. It's officially been 22 months. I'm almost to 2 years. 22 months of no alcohol, not a sip of alcohol in 22 months. Say, woohoo to sobriety, baby. We love sobriety. We love DOD. We love a healthy lifestyle. We love that on this side. Feels good. Yeah, thank you, guys. 22 months today. May 5th will be 2 years. One of the best decisions I ever made. You know that some foods contain alcohol. Yeah, well, I'm not going to get drunk on kombucha, Sharon. You know what I mean. 22 months of no 8 hours sober. What? It's better than nothing. I was never an alcoholic. No, I wasn't abusing it. I just didn't see any purpose for it anymore. Where I wanted to take my life, alcohol was serving no positive. We'll talk about that later. We're potentially going to get a trade soon, but yeah, just didn't want to do it anymore. So 22 months today. Pretty exciting. I'm not an alcoholic. I just really love beer. Oh, Gene's here. Mr. Gene. Hello, Mr. Gene.
Hello.
Nice coat. Like that. What's up, dog? Thank you, bro. Gene Machine's the man.
Fashionably late.
Did your payout hit yet?
No, they request Thursday evening.
That's right. You'll get paid later. Just telling everyone it's my 22 months today of no alcohol.
Birthday.
Celebrate with a shot. That's crazy. Celebrate with a beer. It's terrible. I wouldn't even drink beer. Even though I drank, I hate beer. I've literally never been drunk. I never got drunk on beer ever.
I love beer.
I literally tried 8 beers in my entire life.
I used to slime beers.
Well, I know you did. Coronas. Modelos.
Coors Light. I used to get so drunk off beer.
I'll celebrate with a shot of wheatgrass. All right, guys. Paydun is in the house. Paydun's here. No fear, we're finding a winner today. Yeah, I didn't trade well yesterday, so I punished myself with an aggressive leg day. What am I supposed to do with this candle? We're holding this 50% retracement, which is nice for upside, but I can't long this candle with this wick. I want to find someone that gets as happy as Jdun when Gene gets there. Find you someone that looks at you like Jdun looks at Gene when he has his coffee. I don't know. I'm just yapping. Waiting for a trade to play out. Just yapping, waiting for a trade. That's a good one.
Things you shouldn't do as a grown-ass man is quit alcohol. Because alcohol is so good for you, and there's so many benefits, and it really helps your discipline, and it really helps your trading, and it's going to take you really far. Jdun, how could you give such terrible advice? Come on, bro, just have a beer.
What? Why are you so mad that I don't drink, bro? What's wrong? What's up? Profitable all this year on scalping midday. Thanks for being one of the traders that inspired me. You're welcome, bro. Go get a refund from whoever gave you an education. Well, joke's on you. I didn't get an education. So I ain't got no one to get a refund from. I just kind of be vibing. Just learn as we go. No, I did go to 2 years of college. I almost got an associate's degree. I dropped out of high school, not because of grades, but because I was a bad kid. Then I got my GED, went to 2 years of college, and then decided I wanted to be an entrepreneur and wanted to figure it out. What's up, Mr. Gene?
What's up, dude?
You miss me?
I miss you, dude.
All right, I would love to get a nice upside setup today. I mean, I'd really love a downside setup. That's my favorite. I love trading the downside, but if trend's up, that's what we're taking. We'll stay patient. We'll trade smart and trade safe. And wait for DOD for a setup. I'll get to my DMs a little later, Reno. A little later, I'll get to my DMs, my bro. We've been training together for about 3 weeks, slower than you. It's not looking like this volume's going to confirm. We might get the key level confirmation, which is kind of what happened yesterday. And the thing is, with upside moves, you'll see upside moves move up on a lower volume more often than you'll see downside moves move down on lower volume, if that makes sense. It just happens. Something I've noticed over 9, almost 10 years. It just happens. It's one of those things. Appreciate you guys using code Jdun. We host these 2 free live streams every single day. If you guys are trading with Apex, Tradeify, Alpha Futures, FFF, or Vanquish for options, I appreciate y'all using code Jdun. Appreciate y'all supporting me. Am I in a trade? Nope. I'm waiting. Grizzly, you see anything you like? That's a nice candle, but it might do the same thing as yesterday. Let's see here, 79. Like, honestly, I was asking if you saw anything.
I don't see anything here. Personally, this wasn't enough volume on that breakout candle, so the words developed for me.
Yeah, I was saying it kind of looks like yesterday where we had that lesser volume, but I still think there's a chance that we find a higher low in here and target that pre-market high. Let's see, what's the low here? 80?
It's been burned too many times by the orb not wanting that high volume breakout.
I know, me too. That's why I was a little hesitant. I mean, we didn't retest where I would have bought anyway, but
The previous couple 5-minute candles ago, if that one had closed above, I would consider the orb. Tested the 15-minute range high, went back down.
don't. I'm just gonna wait too. Hoping to just get one really nice trade today.
One trade with minimal drawdown. It's all price target.
Wouldn't that be pretty? Looks like the orb's gonna work out even at that lower volume. That's interesting. That'll be 2 days in a row if we continue that up. I wouldn't have bought here anyway. There was too much risk from 15-minute high down to 75, like 50 points. I'm just don't want to put that on right now. But it's definitely interesting to note. turning on my lava lamp. Yup. Jdun never trades. Yeah, bro. Never. I wish I didn't trade on Monday or my first trade yesterday. If we would have had higher volume on this candle, I would have taken this likely and been willing to put that risk on. However, with our lower volume here and this amount of risk, it just wasn't worth it to me. Yeah, I'll put on that extra risk if it makes sense in terms of volume, but it just didn't this time. Not this time, maybe next time. Tesla's moving up too. What TF are you on? I'm on a lot of things, buddy. I'm high on DOD. You ever tried it? Think you'd like it. We just empty out a little DOD. Oh, that's some discipline right there, baby. Oh, I'm feeling disciplined, ready to follow my rules, ready to trade smart and trade safe, baby. Let's go. Come on. Oh, boy, I'm ready. Wait, oh, crap, that wasn't DOD. Wrong bag. Kidding. Joking. Oh, man. Y'all literally crack me up. Okay. That doesn't look bad. I don't want us to take out pre-market high, but volume is like on. Oh, no, we're going to take out pre-market high. So it doesn't look horrible for a pullback to like 150 with stops below like 118. I don't love that we're taking out pre-market high. That's not what I want to see. But it doesn't look horrible in terms of, like, it's not great volume, but it's also a strong candle and volume's on par. We're taking out pre-market high. That's frustrating.
All right, Team Bull, real quick. I'm watching this zone here. This is the only reject area I like. Let's see if we confirm. I don't trust that previous 5-minute candle for continuation at all. Check out the delta on that previous candle, see what it looks like.
I don't love that we took out that swept that pre-market high. If we would have closed this candle here and then retraced down into this. By previous day high too. That's interesting. All right. Let's see. Let's see what they give us here. I'm just going to wait and stay patient, everybody. We just nicked pre-market high. 5, 10, 15. See anything you like, Gene?
We are touching my supply zone, but we might break it.
You'll take rejects too, huh?
Depending on how we're setting up. What looks weird is we have a lot of volume on this 5 minute. Like we have the same pretty much volume as the last 2 candles in the 5 minute.
And we're rejecting hard. Yeah, that could give a reversal candle.
For sure, but we are coming up to retest this the second time. We retested it twice last night. Once in the beginning of Asia and then in London. So, definitely.
I actually don't hate the idea, sweeping pre-market high, of if we close this candle aggressive, of looking for a retrace up and shorts with stops above that high.
For sure.
I don't hate that idea. We'll see how it plays out. Trend is clearly up right now. I would have preferred to see a pullback originally, but we'll see. We'll see. We'll play it, trade it smart, trade it safe, and as always, we'll keep our risk defined. Small losses and big wins. Let's see here. What would that look like? Just hypothetically speaking. $200 stops with, wouldn't that be on its risk? It'd only be like 20 points of risk. This actually looks decent for a reversal candle here. We'll see. It reminds me of yesterday, the setup that didn't work out, but we retest up to like 190. Don't want to see us make a higher low first, though. That's not good. We'll see. Not going to force anything. We'll wait. We'll see how price looks as we move. What do you think, Grizzly? How's the delta look on that candle? For you. See which touches first. I'm kind of mixed too, because we could make a higher low here, so I'm kind of in the middle. Didn't love this volume. It wasn't terrible. Trend is up in these first set of, what, 10 candles? What up?
That previous red candle had positive delta.
Yeah, that's what I was asking you.
Yeah, at 464, so it wasn't weak positive either. So no shorts yet for me.
Yeah, I'm kind of in the middle right now. I'm debating. I have a mixed daily bias right now. I don't know if it's going to go up or if it's going to go down. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to redeem my DOD code for patience. Maybe we gotta call Grandma. See what her bias is. It's your birthday, Saul. Happy birthday, bro. Happy birthday, Gene. Yeah, it's looking like we want to make that higher low. So Grandma does like the shorts. Yup. Come on. 15-minute chart isn't showing a whole lot. No trades for me yet, guys. Just waiting. Just going to wait and see what they give us. They didn't ever get that pullback into this candle, so no move there for me. I'd love to see a second bar here confirm. What do you mean? Oh. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see, my boy. Yo, TikTok, if you're looking for full screen share, make sure you guys go check out the YouTube as well. It's a more focused stream, full screen share. You can see me chart. See the prices, everything. Jdun trades on YouTube. I appreciate all you guys being here every day on YouTube. It genuinely means the world to me. You guys choose to spend your morning listening to me scream DOD at you, helping you better your trading and better your discipline. I'll do my best to help you win. I don't win every trade, but I win a lot of trades. Yeah, it could be a long. I'm definitely not. I'm going to take this off too because it's not technically valid anymore.
Retested that 15-minute high. Perfect.
Yep, literally almost to the point.
Literally right at it.
120. Yeah, and that last candle wasn't extremely bearish either. Wasn't extremely bearish either. It touched, I mean, to damn near to the T. Touched it. No trades from me yet, just waiting.
Seems like yesterday when we pushed back down, we bounced the same area we bounced. Like, for instance, here, we bounced the midline again on the fair value gap yesterday. Same similar cross section. In fact, I'm watching this for sure for a bounce. See what happens. 25,000,
Yep.
93, 25,104.
I'd love to see a nice, big, beautiful trend day. What level are you watching for a bounce? What level are you watching for a bounce?
Basically 25,100 area.
Oh.
90 right now.
Yeah, I can see that. That's what I was watching it.
Point of control, overnight high and VWAP. Right, all together there. 25,100 as well. So side.
You know what else we have? It's the 50% retracement of the day from low to high.
Nice, I didn't know that. Excuse me more.
And if you take from the low point to the high point of the day, it's right at that. It's like literally almost to the point at 25,100. I'll watch it with you. I'll watch it too, maybe with stops. And I don't know where stops would be.
It's like a 5-minute close below VWAP.
Yeah.
Point of control. Maybe like a max 30-point stop.
Maybe there's no stop loss.
Yeah.
It's a joke, guys. That's a joke.
Average down till we get in green.
That's a joke. New strategy. DOD. It's opposite day. So we're choosing it's dopamine over discipline day. It's opposite day. Jdun just full ports and averages down and just goes. Yeah, a lot of y'all would like that, huh? You're like, yeah, opposite day.
My trader may lose service and kick back on everyone. That was a little suspicious.
It seems like it's opposite day quite a bit for a lot of y'all. Some of y'all be having opposite day once or twice a week. Can't have that, my friend. Oh.
Look in the chat.
Yeah, no, literally. That's me an opposite day. That picture is hilarious, dude. Just after getting wicked out and watching your trade run 100 points. So funny. Literally hilarious. See, I might hold that 15-minute high. By the way, guys, I'm not looking for any shorts up here anymore, just so you guys know. Oh, gosh, I haven't smoked weed in like 7 years. 6. I did not smoke a blunt yesterday. That did not happen. 6, 7, is it 2026, 2019? Yeah, around then.
You don't remember that?
No, I guess I got so blazed on that I just forgot. So looks like it wants to keep going up. $150, $125. There is a world where I'm willing to try a bounce early. Let's call it like 150 with stops below like 130 or like 125. And then it'd be kind of back-to-back losses. If I tried the longs here, got stopped, and then tried a better entry. I'll let you guys know if I enter. I haven't entered anything. A better entry around 25,100. I just think there's a world where we make this higher low here, and we want to go test that pre-market high. I'll let you guys know if I end up taking it. I'm thinking about it. I'll let you guys know if I do. It's a pretty aggressive 1 minute candle. I have not taken anything, just so you guys know. Maybe we'll get 100. Maybe we'll finally get 100. If we flush like 125, I'll look for the 100 area. My only bounce right now I like for high probability is right here. I'm in no trades yet, guys. Nice job, John. I'm looking for longs still. Trends up. I like to see lower to like 100. I was potentially going to watch for this 50 area, but far too aggressive of a candle through. So we'll wait. Stay patient. A trade would have stopped me out if I did take it. So that would have been 0 for 1. I would have been 0 for 1 if I took that trade.
All right, I'm pushing down here finally. crazy volume. Ideal when looking for a bounce, unless it just picks up the last minute 40 here.
Huh. I'm willing to, if we get a flush pull 100 and wake up, I'm willing to try the longs and start my day red if that doesn't work out.
A little bit lower. I'd like to sweep that overnight.
Me too. I haven't tried it either. Yeah, it's interesting. My Edge Pro is showing we touched like 102, but my trading view only shows that we touched like 107. I was wondering that. My where I traded on my live broker is showing we touched lower. I was kind of tripping. I was like, wait, these look different. Huh.
Alright. Oh, I'm about to start my position. Let's wait to see if we push back down here, closer to this point of control.
That's a horrible candle.
It is, but the volume is not very Alright, I tried some light. I'm about half size here. I'm gonna keep a hard stop at 30 points from this. I tried M&Q shorts, 30 points.
Shorts? You mean longs?
Longs, sorry.
Huh. I'm gonna try a piece of longs too. I started some micros. Started a position on there, guys. Trading micros today.
Keeping 30-point stop. I'm about half size here.
Yep. Tried that as well.
I'm okay being wrong here. If I'm wrong, I'll just wait on another setup.
If I'm wrong, I blame it on you.
Find something to blame as well.
I'm joking.
Oh no, don't do it.
Yeah, I tried it though. I tried the longs down there. I'd be bummed if I didn't try it. I have a hard stop down right now at 60.
I got mine set at 70.
Yep.
Stop me out.
Yep. I got mine at 60.
I like to break back above this 15-minute range high and trim up in that area.
Was that 130? Well,
Back below this point of control. That is not what I want to see.
I went light on with micros too, so I got my stop at 60. I'll lose about 750 if I lose. If I get stopped.
I'm gonna get my stop. You got my stop.
I'm still in.
Jesus.
I'm still in. Still in till 60.
If it pushes back down and bounces exactly where it did yesterday, right in the midline of this fair value gap.
If it stops me and rips, I just got stopped, guys. I just got stopped. 804. Excuse me. Another if it rips, dips and rips, I'm gonna be so salty. That was a good trade though. I'll take that 50% retracement all day, every day. Especially with lowering volume there. Gosh dang it though. This week has just been tricky for me.
Just not respecting it.
Just been tricky for me. Kept it small, but after fees and commissions, I'm technically red in the week right now.
Still green, but I didn't want to take that loss there because
We'll see.
from what
Kept-
I've seen, we should retest that 15-minute range.
Yeah, that's tough. I mean, same setup as yesterday. We came down, we retested that that higher low and we just ripped today. It just didn't cooperate. That we also had an anomaly on this candle too. Full body, lower volume, just didn't respect it. So I'm happy with that though, following the trend. We'll see if it gives us something else. I'm not in a rush to take anything. I'd rather that happen than get stopped out not following the trend. So is what it is. Start out for 1 for the day. Kept it managed. Kept it managed. Just didn't happen to work out. At least we're in the humble Honda until further notice. We'll see. Maybe this will give us a 2-bar. Maybe this will give us a nice 2-bar to the downside. Then that'd be great. We get a solid 2-bar, take a retracement up, and then catch a move down to like 15-minute low. That'd be awesome. We'll see. Oh, yeah. I'll start winning again, trust. All it takes is small losses and big wins. I mean, you can have, let's say, 50% win rate. If your wins outweigh your losers, then in good shape. We might get a 2-bar here, guys. A 2-bar I'm willing to take as well.
They're saying there's Iran talks right now, so could be what we're seeing here. Be careful.
If we get this strong close and we retest back up, I will try the shorts. I will try the shorts if we get the strong close down here and get pull back up. Then if we just whipsaw back and forth, I'll just accept my fate as being cooked. All right. I'm gonna look for a move back to like 70, 60 to 75 for shorts, guys. Stops above like 110. If we don't get that, no trade. And if we end up just ripping back up through this, then I don't know. Trend's broken. Technicals are broken, I guess, for me. Full size. No, not quite a full size loss in the last trade. 800 in the live. I didn't take it on the fundeds. I didn't have time.
You took a $800 loss?
Yeah, on the first trade.
Yeah, that was right. What I lost. Close to it.
804. Kept it small, but still definitely no. I have one more watch now for shorts at that retest up here. If we just end up pushing back up, then my strategy's broken for the day. So that's my last look as of now. We'll see if that changes. I'd love to catch a lower high up here than test these lows in here like 960. That'd be great. It's been a tough week for me for sure. I mean, I'm happy with that trade. You don't really get a better trend retest on an up day. Uptrending day. So to get a 50% retracement, it works great. If not, then you manage it and come on. Find a lower high up here. I have one more test for shorts up here, guys. If we get up to this area, I'm willing to try the shorts and then target these lows right here. I'd really prefer we didn't take out these lows first, which doesn't look super likely. If we crack this 25,000, we likely push down aggressively. We'll see. We might not, but we likely do. What do we do, Gene? Am I cooked? I'm pulling a U. I'm going to lose my first trade and then grab an absolute nuker on the second. Pull an absolute nuker on the second. If it retraces, doesn't look like it wants to retrace. Choose DOD, guys. Trade smart, trade safe. Stay patient. We have small losses and big winners. Just want one trend entry up here. If we can just get one nice trend lower high entry and then push down and trend down, that would be great. We're still not. We're holding that 25,000 strong. These buyers are not wanting to let it go. On the bright side, I'm glad that the no stop loss rule wasn't put in. Otherwise, it'd be hurting real bad. Come on. All right, come on. Give a nice push back up to this lower high. Come on. I agree. I'm only looking for shorts too right now. Just nothing though, guys. No retrace. No retrace. That's crazy. Legit, not even a little retracement. Not even a remotely close retracement. Just nothing. That's crazy. We're setting up for a nice move down though. If we can get some selling pressure. I would have really, really, really rather seen us retrace a little bit, but nothing. Yeah, but might be. I think the age-old rule of taking my second trade might be coming. Yeah, we might be back to those days. Jeez Louise, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Move down. All right, let's see what they give us here. We might get a trend-setting candle below these key levels in which I would have no choice but to look for a pop back up into these areas with stops above like 25,013. Actually, doesn't look bad. A 15-minute looks good to the downside too if we can close down here. Oh boy. I haven't had a red week in a hot minute. We might be having to go to the office tomorrow. Need to call in reinforcements. You down for that, Gene? It's not going to give us a setup there either. What am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with that candle? This has been a tough New York week for me, for sure. This trend just didn't work out. Went down on lower volume, continued down. So we'll see. Yeah, Tuesday was a great day. Tuesday was great. This week's just been trickier. But we'll see. If we could just get one. What, Gene? Nazdakita's not being a nice girl this week. It's a really tough candle to short, too. If we close with this wick up. I can't short this candle. As a matter of fact, it's not as tough to short. I can't short it. Nope. Not with this wick. Just gonna let it just chill. Just gonna let it chill. Maybe your retracement up into like this mid 25,000s. Price action has been a little bit trickier for trend trading this week. I still lean towards the downside, but it's just trickier this week, guys. It's been whipsawing your boy around a little bit. No bueno. No mames. This market is no mames. All right, Gene. The best trading. Oh yeah, something like that. Sometimes. I'll still look for a short up here at this retracement of the maybe like 25,070. If we just whipsaw back and forth an accordion, then waiting for my first trade with you. Hopefully I can make it a winner. The last one wasn't a winner. It was a good trade, but it wasn't a winner. It's a setup that I would take over and over. That's what I define as a good trade. This is Brandon's favorite type of day when we just hit supply and then hit demand and go back and forth. Not my favorite type of day. I'll still watch for the short up here. I don't love it. Like if we just accordion back and forth, call it the snake. Little sneaky little snake back and forth. Then I'm not then I'll probably just I'll just be red again. 2 red days in a row. That would be crazy. Yeah, sneaky little snake Nasdaq. Yeah, bad sneaky little snake. Okay, come on. Yep, I don't like the accordion market. Not for how I trade with trends. Still watching for this retrace. Here's how I would take this trade. Look for a move up into the zone. Take the short. Stops likely above like 110. I'd rather have stops above 130, but that's just a lot of risk.
Shaping up to be one of my least favorite days.
Yeah, when we touch pre-market high and pre-market low, you usually just get off after that.
Yeah, I probably should, but for some reason I'm still considering these shorts up here.
Yeah, I'm willing to try it too.
Have to be around in the 70s.
Yep.
Stop above that overnight high area.
I like this too.
Yep. I just got this weird feeling it's going to play some games in accordion. Stop me out. But we'll see. I'm willing to try it still. 60 to 70.
Would not surprise me one bit if we push back up.
I know. Yep. I know. Let's see.
Yeah, we got give it one more trade. If I lose this one, I'm done for sure.
All right, we're here. I'm waiting to see how we react. I'm starting a light piece of shorts up here, guys. I started my position up there. Shorts. If I lose this, maybe my strategy's cooked. I don't know.
You get a low day, this will be manageable.
Put my emergency stops at 110. I want to see a low a day out of this. Come on. No, no, no. Don't do the bullshit. I did try those shorts up there, everybody. I followed my plan. I followed my plan. Now we just
chill out for a second.
now we just wait.
No, I haven't entered yet. I was going to it there and I hesitated. I missed my possible entry with Jdun.
I did. I tried it. If I lose, I'll be out for 2 again. And just keep on keeping on. I'll be just below a full-size loss. Basically, I'll probably be done if I lose this trade. I'll hang out for a little bit, but I want to see a low day out of this. I mean, yeah, we're at like 20 points here, but not enough to take anything off. I don't care about getting back to break even or being green. I care about following my system. So I like 70 up to like 90 with stops at like 110. I don't like how we're holding that 50 at all. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come to Pappy. Come to Pappy.
No way it's going to sell off.
Come to Pappy. Please let it sell off. Please. Please. Come on, guys. Let's go. Come on. All right, I'm taking a little piece off down here in the 20s. Just to be safe. Taking a little piece off. Come on. Come on. Come on. I want low of day. Let this die. Come on. Low of day. Come on. Push it down for Poppy. Push it down for Poppy. Come on. Do it for the bear. Do it for the Bears. Come on. Move. I put my stops at that candle high, everybody. I put my stops at the candle high. Roof, come on. The bear's hungry. I'm out of hibernation. Come on. Come on. Give me sub 25,000. Don't be shy, baby girl. Push it down. I want 100 points out of this trade. I took a little off in the 20s. So if I lose, we'll be closer to break even. Come on. Come on. I don't want to see anybody let this go red. I don't want to see any of y'all let it go red. Come on. No, opposite way. That's not a good Nasdaqita. That's not a good Nasdaqita. No, 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 no. Don't stop me on the rest. Don't stop me on the rest. Is this the... Come on. Do I know what I'm doing when I put the mask on? No. When I'm trading, yeah, for the most part. Come on. Now push it down. Candle looks good. Come on. Come on. I'm going to take a few more of my micros off down here just to be safe, de-risk a little. And a little bit of profit. Come on. Come on. Push it down. I want to see sub 25,000. Nasdaqita, please. Come on, Nasdaqita. Please be a very nice lady for us. Please be a very nice lady for us. Please be a very nice lady, Nasdaqita. That 5 minute looks okay. It looks okay, guys. Still at like 30 points, 25, 30 points right now, so should not go red for anybody. Should not go red for anybody. I actually like that indecision on the last candle. I like it shows this trend has been ultimately for the day and for the first few candles was up. So I like that we failed to go higher. I'd like to, we might sweep this high and then move. If we do look for re-entry, I'm happy though. Got to win into the belt. That's good. I'd like to see lower though. All right, guys, I'm out. I'll look for a re-entry. I'll look for a re-entry on this if we can sweep up and go lower, but I don't want to see this move up to the hundreds. So we'll take it. All right, we're still break even, slightly red.
I started my short position up here, everyone. On MNQ. My last trade. If this one hits my stop, we'll be done. Just red day. I'm in MNQ shorts. upper 60s is my average. I'd like to get it into the 70s, but I'm not going to go too heavy here. Thought I was going to get my average.
I'll try one more piece with you too.
Way down on me.
I tried one more piece up. Sorry to Grizzly. I tried one more piece up there as well. Guys, I'm going to try this one more time. Same stops. Come on.
Come on, rip down for us. I want a massive trade right here.
Come on.
There we go.
Come on.
Trim. I'm trimming.
I'm taking some off too with you. Because we're going to secure a green day, baby. The haters are in shambles. In shambles.
I'm putting my stop at the top of this camera. We make a higher.
Let's go. Come on. Push it down, baby. Come on. Come on. Where's the Jdun Never Trades crowd? Where are they at? Where they at, though? Come on. I'm putting my stops too. 72. Let's let it ride. Come on. Come on. Come on. Hey, haters. I got you a mirror. I got you a mirror.
Let's go. We're back green.
Come on. It's not crazy, but we'll take it. Oh, I needed that green so bad. Out of this trade again, guys. Got to move 25 points down. Gonna wait on it again. Let's go. You love hearing yourself talk. I love praying for you. Hey, I hope you have a great, blessed rest of your day. We'll take it. They said I was going to have 2 red days in a row. You wish. You wish. The haters wish, but I wish you have every green day. I hope you have green days for the rest of eternity.
Still on as of now, everyone. I'm getting this just a little more room. We break above VWAP out there. I'm out.
I hope you have green days for the rest of your life. I love seeing everybody green. I love seeing the haters green. I don't think anybody here is happy if you're red. Oh, you'd be surprised. You'd be surprised. Gene, you getting your payout tonight? Still looks like we have more gas in the tank, though. Still looks like we have more gas in the tank. Man, it has been a rough, just tough trading week. Just tough trading week for me. Grizzly, I have good news though. I have good news, Grizzly.
What's up?
I can buy steak.
I'm still red on the day, man. I got a little bit back there, but
TBH, you can't trade. Yes, says the one who's in my live stream, and I pray for you. God bless you.
kind of give it room, you know. Still nice and green on the week. Hopefully everyone else is as well. Remember,
What?
the first trade I took was a 30-point loss. Say you had 5 MNQ. It wasn't over position. I just want to paper cut to you. That's what I'm saying. After ain't oversized. You gotta stay consistent.
Still looks like we want to make that lower high and move. Call me crazy. It still looks like we want to make that lower high and move down.
Good. I'm done for the day.
Taking your loss?
Yeah, I'm gonna take one.
Like me.
4 figures on the week.
It was me yesterday. Chose DOD. You're red AF. Why are you red AF? I understand being red, but why AF? Why AF, my boy? That first trade was great. 50 points. I wanted to see a trend. I wanted to see 100 plus points, but this just the trend just haven't been working. It's been an accordion, up and down. If technicals align and they work, we should see a lower high here. But knowing how this market's going, we're going to go back up here, then maybe go back down here. And whenever it does this, I have no interest. Team Bull, I need your guys' help. If you have a moment, I'd love for you guys to fill out that survey. It's an anonymous Team Bull survey. I would absolutely love for you guys to fill this out if you have a moment. I do my best to help you guys with DOD every single day. Trying to find more trend moves, but happy with what we got today. I revenge traded it. Literally, no. I understand people that come in and hate in the comments. That's why we pray for them. I mean, they're not making any money trading. The thing is, I made money today. Why? How can you be upset? There's 2 winners, 1 loser. And look at that. We're still going to keep moving. How does that make you feel? Your boy made money. A lot of you if you manage your risk, you made money too. If you didn't know how to manage your risk, that's on you, my boy. I still think we move down here. I still think we move down. I still think this ends up being our lower high. Yeah, they're crazy. The number 1 fans also end up being haters. Isn't that crazy? I pray for each one of you guys. I pray for all the people who speak negatively because we're out here winning, baby. We're out here winning. You're also probably not holding your winners long enough. You got to remember that too. With how I trade too, I'll put on more risk for downside trades than upside trades. You must know that as well. So if I put on, say, 10 micros for an upside, I'll probably put on 20 for a downside trade. I put on more size for downside trades. That's just how I trade, which ends up being if I lose 2 downside trades, I'm going to hit my maximum loss limit. It's just how it goes. I just trade trends, bro. Yo, for people in Team Bull, I'd love to get your feedback on this anonymous survey too. Do my best to help you guys every day. I'm trying to make this the best possible place for y'all. I'd love for you guys to take 5 minutes and fill that out. Hey guys, be nice to the haters. They still have to go and walk upstairs from mom's basement. They still got to go to a life they're not very happy at, and that's really tough. You know, I pray for those people. That's why you got to pray for them, guys. You don't want anyone to have to live like that. So I trade better on shorts. I tell you guys that all the time. that I'm willing to put more risk on shorts than longs. Hey, we balled out today. We made a whopping $650 in the live. We balled. We balled. I'm joking, by the way. I'm not joking about 650 and 50 cents, but I'm happy to be green. I'm happy on a tough week. I'm happy to be green. I'm happy to be green. And tomorrow, I hope that we can catch a really nice trend move, but I've gotten more from watching you than the paid for training with a mentor. I finally started profiting almost daily. DOD is real. Let's go. I just don't understand. There's one loser in a trend trade that's managed, and then two winners. They're silent on the winners. It literally blows my mind. Like how? How? I don't understand. Maybe I just don't have the mental capacity. You out of here, Grizzly?
Yeah.
All right, bro.
I got back my profits from yesterday. After that second trade. And I meant to be on mute when I was talking about this earlier, but I had someone reach out to me in my DMs saying, asking, like, on the second trade I took, why didn't I just sell it all at the first place to basically break even on the day, right? At the first trim? Because you have to let your winners run. If you don't, your losses are going to be bigger and there's going to, not going to be up. Have to let them run. Give them room, even if it does come back and stop you out of it. Whatever your stop is. That is all. See you in the morning.
See you, bro. This anonymous survey. I just posted it. I just posted the survey in the announcements tab. If you didn't trim, whose fault is that? I'm not hitting your buy and sell button. I get on here to teach you DOD and to tell you what I do. I'm not here to say, okay, guys, buy 5 contracts and trim 3 here. And like you gotta have your own trading system too, fam. You feel me? I still think we can find a lower high here and move lower. 1 day away from 4th payout in a month. DOD, let's go. Hey, you know what? I understand it. Like, I get that trading's very frustrating. And you got to realize, like, 95% of people will fail at trading over time. So, like, people are going to lose. They're going to get upset. And that happens. What do you mean you can't count a trade as a win that made money? That is the silliest thing I've ever heard. If your trade goes 50 points and you pay yourself on that and you stop the rest at break even, how is that how is that a loss? Please. And maybe my brain isn't working. Oh, because trades have to be 100+ points. Okay. That makes sense. Got it. That's what it is. I still think we can make this lower high and move down. I'd love to see it. On the bright side, we have a lot of people getting payouts using DOD. And second trade goes 30 points, sell some, stops at break even. Again, you can't on days where we're accordion, you're not just going to count on 100-point trades. Yeah, if you catch the top or catch the bottom, sure, but it's not how I trade. No, I did. You know what? I'm just going to let the geniuses in chat talk. Where is it? We need it.
No, bro. You were looking for low of day, and just because you sold and took profit and were green on the trade, it was a loss, so you got stopped and you were wrong. I don't care if your trade was green. It didn't go 100 points. Therefore, it's a loss.
Like that, bro. That's what y'all sound like. That's what these guys sound like, bro. Dead ass. I'm like, what are you saying? You win some, you lose some, right? I still think we can go lower. If we can hold this low, I'd love to see us trend down. Would love to see nothing more. Yeah, we're going back to kindergarten. Man, I love seeing all the love. Oh, don't worry, the shorts are gonna come in. Looks like they're here, that lower high area here. I love seeing all you guys fill out that survey. It means the world. I've received 6 payouts after a year of nothing. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's go. This technically is a 2-bar here too. I mean, technically speaking, it's not an invalid. Oh, whoops. It's not an invalid setup. With how follow-through's been, I don't trust it fully, but there's a world where we test up into here, try shorts, maybe stops above like 100. We might go to the headquarters tomorrow. We'll see. Looks good, like it wants to continue. I mean, this is everything you'd want to see. Some failure to go higher in that 50% retracement and then move lower. I was hoping we get a test up to here, but I still like the idea of shorts moving down. Bro takes a 0.5 R and calls it green. Yeah, 50 points is 0.5. Yeah. That would mean my 1 R would have to be 100 points, 100 points of risk. Your math is very good, my friend. You should probably be a calculus teacher. Guys, did you hear? 50 points is 0.5 R. I guess I risk 100 points every trade. Bro, crack the code. I actually don't agree with that, Ryan. He said no one ever went broke securing profits. That's actually not true. That's not a good saying to follow. You want to have good risk reward. Hey, I want to see the trolls win too, guys. I want to see them choose DOD. They'll change their life with DOD. And we might move it to subscribers only chat soon. We have to make it so if these haters want to talk, they're gonna have to pay. So a lot of the bigger YouTubers do. It might be coming for us too. They'll make it $1. So they have to. They'd be so sad. They'd probably still do it though. Hey, Jdun Blaze, I need to come watch you every day, and be able to hate, but still show up. This still looks like it wants to go. Mr. Gene? This is why the private Discord's great. It's such good vibes. The free streams are something, but it just gets a little Wild West. I'm saying, we're green in the day. If you rocked the boy and you followed your plan and trimmed and set your stops how you should. On the 2 winner downside trades. Should be green. Thanks, Jdun. Secured an $800 trade within the last 15 minutes. Yeah, will you some say quick? I did piss.
How's it, Daniel?
2 wins, 1 loss.
You took another trade?
Yep.
Nice. Hello, my friends. Took forever, this trade. No new low of day. Don't FOMO into the trade, bro. No, it happens. I'm here, Discord. I'm here with you guys. Let's go, Broncos. Come on, give us 30. 9:30. Hello, dude.
What up? Look at that move down. Where are the haters saying, oh, it's going back long? Silence. Let's see here. Look at that, guys. Wow. Look at that. Where's everyone saying that shorts up there was a bad idea? Why don't they ever show love with winning trades and winning ideas? Why don't I get love on the winning ideas? I'm green on that. That's all I care about. Follow my plan. It's been a tough week. Oh, I know a majority of y'all all show love and you all rock with DOD. I appreciate the majority of you guys. You guys are the real ones. Y'all are the real ones for real. We got a majority, 98% of our fam here are winners. Y'all rock with DOD. You guys are focused on getting better every day. And that's love. Let's go. Hubby just got a 118-point move from 75. Let's go. That's awesome. I love seeing y'all learn, level up, and win. You know what? Let's see here. Let's see what. Now look at that candle. What is that? So, a reminder, Team Bull, for you guys in chat. Let me see. Is this? So, a reminder for you guys. I'd really, really appreciate it and be very, very valuable if you guys would fill out the survey. It's an anonymous Team Bull survey. I want to know how I can better serve you as your mentor, teaching you DOD and trading with you every day and making this community more valuable. Just passed my eval with that trade. That's awesome. I just posted it in the live trading chat, everybody. It's in the Discord. It's just for the private community. Oh, I would love to just see a continuation, massive continuation down. This non-Discord guy says, thanks. You're welcome, non-Discord guy. Two for one. Yep. Two short trades, one long. The first trade was a loss. Man, look at that lower high. This might be a market where I have to adapt and just trade lower size and then put on more point risk. That might be it. I'm going to figure it out. That's a tough candle to short too. Ultimate purpose, whether you won, lost, or didn't trade today, I hope you guys chose DOD. Stay disciplined, manage your risk, traded your plan. That's what's important to me. That's what I care about. I care about that you followed your plan. That's what's ultimately most important to me. And hey, bro, you're the best. I've been watching you for 3 years now, and you are one hell of a dude not talking about just trading. Love, bro. Appreciate you, fam. As a reminder, if you guys want to take my next trade with me, I appreciate y'all supporting me using code Jdun. It is the official code of DOD. You can get an Apex 50K trade of a end-of-day drawdown account for only $29. You're the most disciplined trader I've ever seen on YouTube. Appreciate you, bro. I appreciate y'all supporting me. Using code Jdun with either Tradeify, Apex with our new accounts, FFF, Alpha Futures, or if you're trading options, then Vanquish. Just ditch them, Caesar. Come to Tradeify or Apex. You guys got them. Appreciate seeing y'all post your gains too. Even if it's little, even if it's $5. I'm still watching for price action to confirm a trade. Yeah, just my issue is that I'm not sure we get like this looks like a good setup to find a lower high and continue down. It actually looks really good with stops above like 25,000, but it's just technicals haven't been being respected. I don't hate shorts here, like around this like 70 area with stops above 25,001. Doesn't look terrible, but also technicals just haven't been respected. I think shorts actually look very good when that pop up. Well, now it's gone, but 70 like stops above 25,000. Whole psych number, wick up, below pre-market low, below 15-minute low. If technicals are being respected, this short entry would look great up here. Will it be respected? I don't know. From a systematic standpoint, it actually looks decent for a short, but from a technical standpoint, it's just been not respecting them. Watch, it's going to go right about 25,000, probably wick, and then go down. It has just not been. It's just been not respecting technicals today. Like, it's just not. That's why I'm so cautious on putting on setups. Like, what is that? Now watch it just wick down now and go low day. So it's BS. In a traditional downtrend, we should hold below these levels and we should make that lower high, then move down. It's just not respecting it. Not respecting technicals, how I trade at least. The 150K Apex end of days are $59 with your code. Am I missing something? Yes. Or no, you're not. That sounds right. I just tell you the 50Ks because I think you have the highest probability of being paid out and they're cheaper. Yep, I'm keeping my small green. I'm keeping my small green. I'm about to get off here in a minute, guys. I'm happy I followed my plan. I was ready to be red again. I was going to have to definitely go into the office if that happened. It happens, Frankie. That's why you got to keep them managed. Now watch, it's going to wake up and then die. Just weird price action. You're in shorts, Gene? All right. We choose DOD. If you choose DOD, losing doesn't become as negative, as bad, as defeating. The problem is a lot of you guys are not trading with any discipline. You're not trading with an actual system. Your mindset is still that you have to win all the time. It's been programmed by social media to be that way, and it ends up being consequential to your process and to your profits. Can't let that happen. Would I rather take someone from 0 to 1 mil or 1 mil to 10 mil? I'd probably rather take someone from 0 to 1 mil. So if I can take them from 0 to 1, they'll go from 1 to 10 on their own. But if they go from 1 to 10, they've obviously already figured scaling out. That's my 2 cents. I like helping people build from the ground up because that's where I came from. I think that's why, like, I never planned to be an influencer. I never planned to have a social media following. I was practically forced by my friends to make a TikTok back in the day about trading, so I was helping them learn how to trade. When I learned how to trade to make money trading, I had never planned to be a guru. Like a lot of times nowadays, people will learn how to trade so they can go sell a course. I learned how to trade so I could so I could trade and make money. And so I was forced to make social media by my friends, and I came from the bottom. Like my dad went to prison and then got shot. I had a single mom, no handouts, no trust fund. Like it was either I make this trading, otherwise I'm screwed. I make myself successful, or I'm going to say in the same spot that I came from. The generational curse continues if I don't find a way out. So for me, it was I'm money all in. I'm time all in. You know, so I feel a lot of y'all that you guys have to make this work for your freedom. Now that comes with saying that you shouldn't be rushing the process. I'm not saying you have to make it work tomorrow. That's not how this game works. But you gotta make sure you're giving it your all every single day and making progress. That's why I tell you guys, small incremental wins lead to massive results over time. Daily wins. Here's the deal too, folks. If you guys want access to my private Discord tomorrow, it is free Friday. So if you guys want access to my private Discord, to the Zoom stream where there's zero lag, you get full screen share. It's just like YouTube, but there's zero lag, meaning you get my alerts right then. Anything I'm doing, anything I'm watching is right then. You also get access to our private chat inside Team Bowl. Send me a DM on Instagram. It's Jdun Trades. JDUN Trades. Send me a DM right now that you're from the live stream and you'd like access to free Friday. JDUN Trades on IG. I'll get to my DMs today. If you guys would like access to the free private live stream tomorrow, Send me that DM today and I'll get you the link. JDUN Trades on IG. Yep, I see some of y'all DMing. You can simply just say access for free Friday, or I want the live, or you can say hello, Mr. Jdun. I'd like to get the private access tomorrow. It starts the same time. I'll still be on these streams tomorrow, but we be rocking in Team Bull. I love our Team Bull community. Speaking of which, how you guys doing in here? How you guys holding up this morning? I don't care about your P&L. I care about how your process was and your execution was. This week's been a little tricky. Also, who on the live stream has filled out the survey? I would very much so appreciate you guys filling that out.
Can I please have an epic score, please?
Also, if you guys have had a good experience, if you guys want to share that love, I'd love to see your guys' reviews here. Trying to build this up. If you guys if DOD has helped you, I'd love for you guys to leave a review here if DOD has helped you. Maybe it hasn't. I don't know how it wouldn't, but I'd love to see your honest feedback here too. It means the world. I'll send the survey here now too. If you guys get a moment to fill this out, it'd mean the world. For you guys that trade with me every day. Here you go. I just posted it in the YouTube chat. I'll post it twice. If you guys would take that anonymous survey, it'd mean the world to me. I try my best to help you guys every day. And I know your time is valuable, so I don't want to sound like damn Verizon. Hey, do you have time to take the survey? But it really would mean a lot for how I operate for you guys, how I organize this community, and how I can better serve you in 2026. So I appreciate you guys doing that. Also, with the new Trustpilot trading with me, I'd appreciate if you guys would leave an honest review. I hope it's positive, but I appreciate all feedback. Do my best to help you guys every day. FOMO Futures, I love you. And you don't have to do the review. I just don't see a lot of comments. Not saying that for the review. I appreciate if you give your feedback and appreciate y'all doing that, but it's certainly not necessary. The more feedback I get, the better I can make these streams and the better I can make the experience trading with me. I just posted the survey link if you guys are willing to do it. It's anonymous. It's obviously free. A paid survey. My review. Jdun chooses to get his dopamine from wearing masks and speaking with different accents. His trading, however, is solidly based on a disciplined approach. Yes. Does Jdun recognize his supporters? Of course. I appreciate you guys coming every day. Can I dunk? Bro, come on. Are you kidding me? I'll do it because I like you, man. I'm a fellow construction worker that's been trying to trade and failing at it for 5 years now. Let's turn that around. I feel you in the construction, bro. I worked commercial sheet metal. I'm sorry if that's what you do, but I hated that job. I hated that job, bro. It's been a tough week for me for sure, but we keep it moving. See a lot of y'all filling out that survey. It means a lot. The more data we get, the better. It's 100% anonymous. I appreciate you guys filling it out. I know your time's valuable. And so is your feedback. The more I know, the better I can do for you. I've tried to do things like bring Jared Tendler in, provide more education, provide more resources. And the more feedback I get, the better I can do that. So thank you guys very much from the bottom of my heart. I'll keep helping you at DOD. I appreciate you guys taking a few minutes and getting that survey done. Thank you, Chanza. If you trade with me every day, you can fill it out. Hey, D-Law, thank you for doing it. Yeah, if you guys get it done, you want a shout out, I would love to say thank you to you. I appreciate you guys doing it. It means your feedback and time means the world. Thank you, Prammy. Appreciate you, bro. Mad Dog, it's right here. Hey, filled out yesterday. You like to party. I like to party. Appreciate you. Got it done. Matthew, thank you, bro. Electrician here trying to become a profitable day trader but failed multiple prop accounts. It happens, bro. It's part of the process. Survey done. Tyler, thank you, bro. Appreciate you, my guy. I'm going to get off soon. I need to get my... Thank you, Wendy. I'll be right back, guys.
What is going on? What are you guys doing? What is the market doing? What's up, guys? What are you guys doing? Die. Marcus just chopping now. I'm still holding some shorts.
So, Mr. Gene.
No.
Hello, Mr. Gene. I had to deduct 1 point from survey. Gene has yet to deliver my coffee. Boise isn't that far from that, man. Thank you for doing the survey, bro. Oasis, thank you. Survey complete. Thank you. Times. Appreciate you, Bear Benden. Appreciate y'all. Jessica, thank you very much. Justin, thank you, thank you, thank you. Seven Maith, Chaos, thank you guys. Thank you, Kenny. Appreciate y'all. If you guys get a second too, I'd love a review on that Trustpilot as well. Does it ask you for the review at the end of the survey on the Trustpilot? Maybe it does already. Maybe you guys already did that. Okay. I appreciate it if you guys get a second to do that. It means the world. Thank you, trading investors. Here's that Trustpilot too if you guys want a double whammy. I'll do my best to find you. Hey, I'll be trading from the office tomorrow, I think. So that should guarantee us a green day. Okay, good. Yeah, if you guys have a second, would love to build that Trustpilot up too. Love to hear your honest reviews if DOD has helped you. I took 3 trades today. I lost my first one. And won the second 2. I lost that first trade and I was like, are you kidding me? Of course. I don't trade your 2-bar method. I'm here for the vibes. That's great. Honestly, I respect when you guys take your own trades and trade your own system. Like, you don't have to trade exactly how I do. I know that DOD can apply to anybody. DOD can help anybody and everybody. Prammy, that's awesome that you kept it that managed that. You lost all your trades and managed to keep it under $1,000. I know you're red, but you kept it managed. That's what I care about. I want to create really good losers out of you guys, meaning that you don't take it personally when you lose. You don't go on tilt when you lose, because that's what ultimately ends traders' careers. This week's been a bit more tricky too. Been a bit more tricky. Did I see gold breaking out of that flag? I haven't. But all right, y'all. I'm going to mob off for the day. I appreciate you guys being here. Sorry about that first losing trade, but ended up with 2 more winners. Slightly green day. We'll call it break even. Slightly green, $650, but still, it's been a tough week for me. So choosing DOD, staying alive, living to trade another day. That's a phrase that I always tell myself is I live to trade another day. As long as I don't go in tilt, as long as I don't blow myself up, as long as I learn something and stay alive, I win. So trade smart, trade safe, stay focused, guys. And I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, all right? I will not be on Power Hour today. So no Power Hour stream for me and no Asia stream either. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. If you guys want access to Team Bowl tomorrow, to my private paid community, it is 100% free on Fridays. You don't have to enter a card. You don't have to enter your name. Send me a DM on Instagram right now. Send me a DM, Jdun Trades, on Instagram, and I'll get you access to the private stream tomorrow. JDUN Trades on IG. All right? Gene will be live tonight. I won't. Appreciate you. Hey, thank you, Mike. Appreciate you, bro. God bless you guys. Have a great rest of your night. Peace, everybody. You can DM me on Instagram if you want access to the private stream tomorrow. Peace.